What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's like, I don't know, like 8:30 in the morning, just sitting in the Blue M1, letting it warm up. I got a lot of stuff to do today. I got to make a closing for the video that I'll upload today too. And then we got a lot of stuff to do to the car today. So I got this OEM Type R shift boot from Honda. You probably can't see that. I'm gonna throw it in today. I got new radiator hoses on the way. Should be here today. The new fuel pressure gauge. I got the car back from the body shop, which I'll show you that. It's got a new hood, fenders, repainted, blended in, and A-pillar up here had a spot on it that was screwed up. Got that redone. But yeah, so tons of stuff to do today. I got new exhaust hanger bushings and just all kinds of little shit to catch up on the car. So first we're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna go get some coolant, and then just go to where I'm gonna work on the car, raise it up, and yeah. Flip it over, and as you can see, there's a screw there, and then there's these tabs down here. So obviously go ahead and start pulling these screws. And this is a 2G awsome clip shift boot that I put a Honda retainer ring on, and then just absolutely stretched it over the back of the ring. It don't look bad, but it's not really what I want. So put the new Type R shift boot in, tighten the screws, and now I'm just going to put everything back, and then I'm hoping this ring fits around the K-tuned shifter nice. I don't know. But we're back in the red M1. This is the first I've drove it in 2 weeks, I guess, since I got the blue car running. Definitely feels a lot different. I'm actually not sure if I like it. This car, even being slammed, rides a lot better than the blue car, but the blue car is set up really stiff the way I want it to be, and it don't ride good. It's not going to. Decided to go to Taco Bell for a little break, and then I went to get some food. Now I'm just heading to Tractor Supply. I'm going to go ahead and get new bolts. Still got to do the heater hose, finish it up, put coolant in it, let the car run, bleed the coolant, make sure it's really good. And hell, then maybe we'll just go do some pulls or something, drive around, see how it goes. May go ahead and put the front bumper back on today too, and then take it back off before the alignment. That's not going to be too bad to take off anyways. I just didn't really feel like doing it. So there's the new hood, and then there's no more little chips and dings here. They painted all the way through here, re-cleared here. No more spot on the A-pillar. All that's been blended. Same thing with this fender. There was a big dent here. So pulled the plug out of the radiator, so go ahead and drain the coolant, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the radiator hoses on. This heater hose is way too long. I pulled that off a single cam car, and I ain't sure if it was for the single cam. That I want to replace, just run the coolant line from the idle air control valve directly to the head instead of running it to the throttle body, but I don't have a hose for that, so I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to leave this for another time. And then this hose here is leaking. Undo the top screw on that hose. Squeeze the clamp. Okay, so the next clamp is over on the side of the cylinder. Maybe a problem. Not too much coolant spilt out of it, so that's good. I do have a pan underneath. Unhook this connector just to make sure. Set it up here, and we gotta squeeze these clamps, pull this hose off, and then pull it off down here same way. Give it a good pulley. And now, yeah, coolant went everywhere on that one. So I'm gonna let the radiator drain more. Then I'm gonna take the pan. Tell you what I'm gonna do, actually. I'm gonna grab a bottle. Good old big blue. So yeah, I'm not really sure where that heater hose is leaking from, but I can tell it's gonna be a pain to pull off. This I'm gonna try to cut it and see how it goes. Hopefully it works. Like I said, it was just barely leaking. I did go ahead and get the lower hose on. Wipe it up, or just touched it with antifreeze stuff, but it looks pretty good. Clamps are on. There it is from underneath. So fitment on it. Pretty sweet. You see the logo pretty good. That looks a lot better than the old hoses without a doubt, so I'm not gonna complain, but I'm just gonna do the upper hose now. I do need to see if there's a little piece to keep them from touching. If not, I'll just run a zip tie or something, maybe. I don't know. I'll move the radiator ever so slightly. That's the only thing I'm not liking so far is that they're touching. I'm pretty sure there's a piece to solve that, so that's not that big of a deal. And then I gotta get my OEM heater hose on. Go ahead and tuck. Plug that. No, leave that unplugged for now. Actually.